In this video, we are going to be looking at the Therapeutic drone harp. This is one of my favorite instruments. It has 24 strings and the wood is made from recycled timber. The top is ash and the bottom is kauri, and the ash is from a floorboard from a eurythmy class. It has an arched bottom and the size of the harp is 27 inches by 13 inches. I play the harp in two different ways. One's using these mallets here, which I've created using chopsticks and felt, and of course strumming along the strings gently with the fingers. And the tuning of the harp is a perfect fifth with a D, A and a higher octave D. I've retuned a few of the strings just to give a little bit of interest. And to keep the harp in tune, I just use a tuner app on my phone, and I have a key here to tune each string, and you can buy this from any high street music store. In one-on-one settings, I can place the harp behind them or against their body whilst they're laying on their side, or place the harp on top of their body whilst they're laying flat so that they can feel the vibrations of the harp. The overtones that this harp creates is absolutely phenomenal, and the sounds can fill a large room with ease. Take a listen to this sample recording I created recently for a client.